All right, so let's talk here about transitions really quickly. Transitions are, as it sounds, they're ways of moving between shots. Most of the time, most of film and television actually don't use don't use transitions. Most of the time it's just shot up against shot. That's called a cut, cutting from one shot to another shot. But transitions are typically used to show changes in time or space, right? We're moving from one specific time to another specific time, or we're moving from one place to another place. Um, so with that in mind, right, we've got these overhead shots of the beach, and then we go right into the action. So, right, this can be right the transition of place. Also notice, right, that this is one place. And this does not look like the same place. Um, and that's okay. This is just a demonstration. Um, but right, I mean, so this could imply a very large shift in place. I'm not sure where these shots were taken. Anyway, to add transitions, they're down here. The transition pane or tray is down here. There are a number of different transitions that are loaded up that we can use. Personally, I used to get fancy with transitions. I really like just pretty basic transitions now. Don't want to, want to indicate a change, but don't want to call attention to it. Like video clips, right? We can just add our cursor, and it'll show us the change, so we can get a preview of it. I like the crossfade. It's a really good basic transition. You just grab a hold of it, right, and then everywhere there's a change, or right, moves to a different clip. Pluses end up there. You just drag it to the one where we want it. And let's go ahead and preview what that looks like. Alrighty. If I can offer kind of a little practice tip, make use of this preview pane frequently. Watch what you're doing. Sometimes it may not look quite right, and you're like, I kind of really don't like that. And then but by previewing it frequently, we're making sure that we can see it. I'm going to go ahead and add one more transition. I really like fade through white transitions, and I'm going to add it here in between where the shot doubles up. I like transitions in these kinds of unusual or artsy kinds of points. It indicates to the viewer, oh, something's coming up that's a little bit unusual. So let's move the scrubber here so we can see what that transition looks like. All right, and then we just simply cut into the next scene. Alrighty, so that's adding some transitions. Alrighty, so let's talk about adding music. We'll come back up to our media tray. Just like when we have video clips, we can hover over them to get a preview. We can do the same thing with music. Now, because of the way sound is set up, you're not going to be able to hear a preview, but I'll just, it happens. I can hear the music now. The way my sound settings are set up, the music is not coming through. But so, and again, just like anything else in your media tray, just grab it, pull it down here. Let's see, why did that not work? back here. Now Clipchamp it prefers to put added audio below the video line, the video track, and that's fine. I know there's some flexibility with moving things around, but at the beginner level, let's just kind of move with what they have set up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to the beginning. I'm going to duck out here really quickly and play with the audio settings so that y'all can hear it.